In this guide, I'm going to show you how to play Universal Tower Defense X on Roblox. It's going to be the full guide breaking down everything you need to know. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, once you get loaded into the game, you're going to be in a lobby that looks something like this. It should by default put you into a tutorial. If it doesn't, that's okay, but essentially just select expand first and then hit play, and that's how you get into your game first. But once you join a match, you need to place your units near the path where enemies walk. As enemies are defeated, you'll earn money that you could use to place more units or upgrade the ones you already have. Some units also have active abilities. You just got to tap that unit and use its ability whenever available, just like so. But keep surviving waves until you reach the victory and collect your rewards at the end of the match. Back in the lobby though, you can open up menus for units, you can do summons, quests, achievements, events, battle passes, and the shop, all located all around the screen just like so. Like you got units, items, store, quest, areas, expand. You're also going to have profile codes, guilds, and events. Whenever you have the ability to, make sure you type in codes. That'll give you a head start in the game pretty much immediately. But that is the full process. Oh, and you can also press Q. It allows you to dash and it's very helpful, and you could also double jump as well. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.